If my husband in army, yes. I'm missing a lot from 1 year, yes, and he is celebrating with a birthday with Diwali. What about me, love?
Nowadays, people are doing job for earning money. They are busy in their hustle and bustle life, and they are in depression. They don't have free time for relaxing. And festival, we do celebrate our festival. We get relaxed.
Diwali is coming soon. I am in Lucknow, and my father is out of country, and my brother is also out of city. And it is a good. I will go at my home, and we are all family will be together at home. It is good, na?
You know the Vedic period. You know Vedic period. What the condition of the India? You know the Indian Vedic civilization. You haven't read the history. You read the.
Okay, relax. Control yourself. Let him complete, please.
Only we are doing this on the occasion of 15 August, 26 January. Why? Because we all get together on the occasion of this. It is not ceremony. It's a national festival of India. And you are talking about festival. You are talking about festival does not bring the happiness. Definitely, festival brings the happiness.
Good morning, everyone. This is Garima. I'm going to talk about that festivals not come with happiness for all, because we the India 140 crore and 80 crore people right now, as per the Prime Minister's statement, that 80 crore people get a ration from the PDS, Public Distribution Service. So we think about the 80 crore people as per the Prime Minister statement. I'm not going other person's statement. And first things I want to talk about the army people. And army people, this is I'm going to take I take a permission for the शायरी for the army people. Okay. गुजरते लम्हे मुझ पे हंस के जाते हैं. गुजरते लम्हे मुझ पे हंस के जाते हैं. तन्हा हूँ मैं, बार बार दोहराते हैं. गुजरते लम्हे मुझ पे हंस के जाते हैं. तन्हा हूँ मैं, बार बार दोहराते हैं. किसी सूल की तरह चुभते हैं ये बीते लम्हे. किसी सूल की तरह चुभते हैं बीते लम्हे. ये त्योहार भी ना किसी के ना होने की बड़ी याद दिलाते हैं. And this is
that's why festival is important. Because it feels you.
Let me complete, sir. I'm starting from the point of the international point of view that security is most important for the Indian, and maximum army people are not able to getting the leaves for the on the festival, because that time the security vigilance is so necessary, because that time the terrorists try to enter in the India. So maximum army people are not able to getting the leaves for the on the festival, and such type that security, internal security also maintained by the police personnel, the IPS also not getting the service, and the duty will become double at the festival also, because vigilance for example, if these security personnel are not duty, we the common people are not able to celebrate our Diwali in any festival. Because there is chance to enter of the terrorist and any unsocial social people who create the problem in the Durga Puja and getting bombing and plant bomb and all the things. These people have to think about that people. Second point, when about the student, that we are a student. I'm also not going on Diwali at my festival. At my Diwali at my home.
You have completed?
No. This is listen.
Yes, I am ready to counter your point.
No, not counter. Please listen patiently.
What about me? Why am here?
What about you, sir? Last point. Sir, think about the student firstly. And my third point, bear my point. When I was in the 7th class, there was a chapter of the Eidgah written by the Munshi Premchand. Eidgah. Yes. Everyone remember the story of the Eidgah. And Eidgah, the character is Hamid, and mother and grandmother was Amina. And the Amina gave money to Hamid, 2 paisa, to just go and mela and celebrate, and what we want to buy, you can buy. But that time, his every friend start to buying toy and the sweets and all things. But Hamid think about, bear my point with pain. Hamid think about her grandmother, how the grandmother difficult, how she facing difficulty in making the chapati, and his hand is burning and all the things. Oh, that's time. Hamid bought chimta. Next next point. Hamid B, and then came to home and said, grandma, this is the my things which I have buy by the Mela. Okay. There's a tear automatically without saying anything. Okay.
Her first point is, what is the first point about upon the army?
Uh-huh.
They are just
Minister go to celebrate.
they are doing the duty on the border,
Acha.
and they are not celebrating. They are not celebrating.
Celebrating.
They are celebrating
Uh-huh.
with their buddy.
Okay.
These are the family. These are the family for them. These are the family for them.
Can I counter? If my husband in army,
Sir.
can I counter?
Yes.
If my husband in army,
Yes.
I'm missing a lot from 1 year, and he's celebrating with a birthday with Diwali. What about me, love?
Sir. I wanna give example of we are here. Why we are here? Why we don't want to go our home? We are here. We don't want to go our home. We are
Why?
jobless. We are studying. We are suffering. But because of festival, we are thinking that we have to go to our home.
You are thinking.
No, sir.
You are thinking. You are unable to go because of the responsibility.
Only festival makes us think that you have to go to home to celebrate with your family, with your friend, with your father.
My mother has once upon time said to me that when you didn't come home on festival, this line dedicated to my mother when I feel something very sad at my PG, wherever at the university also. आग के पास कभी मोम को लगा कर देखूं, आग के पास कभी मोम को लगा के देखूं, हो इजाजत तो तुझे हाथ लगा के देखूं, दिल का मंदिर बड़ा वीरान नजर आता है, दिल का मंदिर बड़ा वीरान नजर आता है, सोचता हूँ तेरी तस्वीर को गले लगा के दे दूँ।
Sir.
This is the feeling of our mother. This is feeling of our mother
She has-
on the festival.
Sir. She doesn't have her own story, own just kavita.
Okay, now.
If you are just
Hold. What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
Kavita, it is Kavita.
No. What point you have? Raise 1 point. I will counter. What point you have? Raise 1 point and listen my counterpoint.
And don't have competition on Shairi and all.
Huh? Not.
She doesn't have her own.
Sir. I would like to say that
Huh?
just Diwali is around the corner. You know. Then you are talking about the cracker we just done and make the pollution. It is my point. It is
Okay, I will
It's my
counter.
point.
I will counter.
As he said that.
Uh-huh.
Then why we think about only the occasion of Diwali? Why only think?
Okay. Can I counter? No, sir. Can counter?
I will talk about on the Bakrid.
Someone is pointing. Someone is point out one things that traders are getting increasing GDP. कौन था?
Ma'am, first listen.
GDP आप थे?
Ma'am, first
You are
listen
the
me.
GDP.
You are talking about our army. You are targeting about army. All soldiers when they are going in army, wife is our country for them. Sister is country for them.
Okay.
Each and everything for country. And in our country, in army, it is rule and regulation. We have so many posts. If they are married, they are not allowed to join that. And they are there. And our army doesn't run by any individual emotions. It run by the enthusiasm, the passion, the dedication, the bravery. And this is not kind of the thing. We are talking about hero and heroines. You Gen Z people, you baby boomers, you are talking about the whole day stories, and you bring our army in this occasion. In army, our prime minister go and they celebrate with them, and they celebrate on the border. Their festival is, there is passion is, they are on border. That's why they are doing this. We cannot connect that by these lines and by this poetry, by this emotion. If your wife is missing you, it is okay for you. If your sister is waiting for you, it is okay. They are there for sacrifice, for their bravery, for showing, for taking revenge to
You are
their.
repeating one
No,
statement.
I'm repeating the
One statement. Enough. I'm getting you what you want to say.
Okay.
You are saying that's the valid point.
Okay,
This is
okay.
only repeating.
Yes.
So you are saying that they are sacrificing their life. You want that someone sacrifice happiness and leave a wife for your happiness?
Yes, they are living hard. for us. They are living for us. They are living for us. You guys are also chanting and using the slogan of our festival, national festival. That's now you can see the power of festival.
Now one point.
I am not Jameen. I am the do and search, do and Google that national festival is are not Republic Day and 15 August.
I want to just counter the person.
You people do not have
Sir,
knowledge.
listen to me.
I'm listening. Yes.
You are again against saying.
You also again saying, ma'am, army, again. What is this? You do not have any point.
I
Let's
have-
talk about Jerry. Why are you bringing the army?
Listen. Don't
Yes,
be so
army doesn't
aggressive.
run by
Don't be
emotions.
so aggressive. That you are saying
I
that.
have to be aggressive because you are targeting our army.
Hey.
You do not know army or known as for the bravery, and you do not have to
Listen
do.
my point.
You are very
How
emotional.
humble she is, guys.
She will have to be.
National festival.
He's humble.
Army runs by passion.
My
It was
one
your
question.
power, not by
Okay,
emotion.
okay. Army
It's
wants
not
to
just cry. Passion खाता है. Army.
Listen,
what
listen,
happened?
sir. Listen.
She will have to change the topic, army.
I will
Sir,
change.
she will have to change the topic, army. I'm not frustrated.
I have already countered your question. You are just repeating your army. Now my next one, national festival.
Yes.
You are just similar to making the equal to national festival and the occasional festival.
What do you understand by festival first?
Festival
According
is
to what is festival? Yes.
Festival. If I celebrate Diwali, in my point of view, I have money or not, it doesn't matter. For me, Rama is my Purushottam Rama. I could try to assimilate the discipline of the Rama and follow the discipline of the Rama.
Okay, sir. I am accepting. But now you have to listen me. Sir, now you have to listen me. Nowadays, people are doing job for earning money. They are busy in their hustle and bustle life. And they are in depression. They don't have free time for relaxing. And festival, we do celebrate our festival. We get relaxed. It was made. Why, sir? Why, sir?
Then the counter.
Yes,
Then counter.
Asked what is the difference in festival.
Yes, sir.
Beautifully she has answered.
So what? It was answer.
I have answered.
You are recreating.
Sir, it was answer.
You are
Sir, it was answer.
Was answer.
Answer, festival.
It was answer. One sari for you. One sari for you.
If you keep recreating question, the debate will never end.
Okay, sir.
You asked, she answered beautifully.
Sir, what is the matter? In our
One
message,
question
in our
for
message,
you
keep
all.
on talking about festival.
No.
We
One-
keep
What
on.
means that?
So what was the means? It
When
means.
Ramji said that you have to crack crackers.
What's it?
When Ramji said, no, when?
Only you people are thinking.
Who
that it is
you
necessary for firing the crackers. There are number of people.
Read
even
about
I do
Rama.
fire
You
crackers.
know the character of Rama.
Beauty of Rama, assimilation she was talking.
So we are also celebrating. Sir, it is also the.
Next person.
Even-
Come and talk to us. If you have courage.
And one sari for you. And you are repeating one point.
First of all, this is the debate competition. It is not like a Mahfil of Masahara or that.
Why not?
See, why they are speaking so much sari.
तू इधर उधर की बात ना कर महफिल क्यों लुटा ये बता
Listen.
It means you are repeating again one statement. Why this happening? This meaning, the Sayari meaning is that you are repeating one problem and again. This means ये तू इधर उधर की बात ना कर सारी मतलब क्यों लुटा क्यों ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है That's the point, Mayu. I'm just explaining.
Because you are saying by our celebrating festival you are cracking the crackers this type.
Huh.
But we are celebration means what is the meaning of the real festival?
Huh.
You just say na
Huh.
कि Lord Rama
Rama
came here and that's why peacefully we are welcoming by lighting the lamps, by worshipping, by welcoming the flowers, throwing the flowers, this type. But when you are just people saying we are cracking the crackers, it means your festival. It's not our festival. It is just you thinking and some negative minded person cracker the crackers and you relate out the festival.
This is also not the appropriate answer of my statement. This is also not
What's
my-
your statement? What's your statement?
My
What's your
statement was that
you know,
celebration.
our every our festival showing our diversity in the unity, and that's why
Okay.
all the festival are Durga Puja in
well,
list
no.
of the heritage, in the list of the all the things in the intangible heritage. Because why? Because we are worshipping and we are celebrating each and everything, and we are in our festival. You are worshipping like a plant also, soil also, and sun also, and river also. We are celebrating and we are worshipping. That's why our festival day by day increase and day by
Complete,
day
madam.
spread all over the world.
It's okay. I can
Yes.
answer.
Okay.
You are said example about the Durga Puja.
Yes.
We are Indian very well known that we are one side we are worshipping a women and other side raping a women. What about that? This is a real celebration. If you want to celebrate whole, why not? If you want to celebrate whole, why not? You are
You don't relate.
Listen, let me complete. Let me complete.
Durga Puja shows the power of women. Durga Puja shows the enthusiasm of the women. Why are you not understanding? Why are you relating the land? Why are you relating this? Why are you relating the land? Negative thinking. You are the negative minded. You are the negative minded people.
On the other hand, try to understand.
On the other hand,
Worshipping Durga
first-
Puja, it is fine.
Huh.
But on the other hand,
What
other
about
respect?
respect?
Yes.
We are not assimilating, not indulging the principle of the festival. We are just so happy. It is just showing. It is just showing.
Celebrating Durga Puja. Celebrating Durga Puja. Many people thinks not it. We are stop the rape because our ladies and our girls. This is the power of our enthusiasm. This is the power of our backbone. The girls are power of backbones.
Let me justify this point.
Yes.
That is why she is asking if festival has that much power, why everybody is not motivated
To respect women.
worship women and to respect women.
Why not?
is it increasing?
You are not indulging the principle of the festival. You are just so updating the status on the Facebook and the WhatsApp.
Listen. We are not updating the festival. We are just spreading the thought of why we are celebrating Durga Puja. And some people, if they are in the occasion of festival, they are not doing. They are thinking each and every girls. These are looking like our goddess, and all and every girls are our sister and mothers. It is not different.
She is also respecting Durga Puja. And we all respect. That is absolutely
my other
fantastic.
point-
But if Durga Puja and all the festivals are that much good, why on the other hand rapes are increasing, molestations are increasing? What could be the reason? Festivals should influence these people to be well.
Okay, if we are stop the celebrating Durga Puja, it means rape kind. These are
stopping.
not stop. No, they are happening day by day and they are increasing day by day because of your negative mentality. Because of negative mentality. That's why.
This question to you.
Huh.
Yes.
I'm not saying that stopping puja, any festival. Firstly, as a civilized person, if you talk about, can I go in history? Can I go? Little bit, okay. If you go in the Vedic period, later Vedic period, this was the most civilized country. This civilized time for the India. That time there was no Sor Saraba and all the things. And the very beautifully, the Indus people, the Vedic period, very beautifully respecting women and also celebrating Durga Puja and Saraswati Puja. And Maitreya was equal to the Saraswati, and Maitreya have lots of knowledge as a Saraswati. Okay, so that's why that time the people as action and speaking both are matching. 2 days. Today we are just saying
The
that
life of women were like any.
That time women's are status very worse in our society. That time, because that time people says women's were only producing our
give me my
children
mobile.
and
Yes,
caring,
yes,
and they are
Give
just
my mobile,
object. They are people that.
why not? Why not? You are not presenting the accurate statement. But just
You are
talking.
not presenting.
You know about the
You are
later
not
period.
presenting the accurate statement.
Have you
You are
read
not
the history?
You are going
You haven't read the history.
Why are
You
you
haven't the
not
proper
presenting
knowledge about
the
history. raising the real point.
I am also known about the Vedic
My one
period
statement
all the
is enough for
period.
you.
I'm also know.
You
I'm
should
also
people-
know.
you are just
And
saying-
that time, people.
what is talking
What
about
are you
here?
thinking? What are you thinking? Woman just as an object
In
for a
Vedic period.
man.
In Vedic
Just
period.
object.
You know about Vedic period.
Yes,
Give
in
me the
Vedic
chance.
period.
Give me the
Yes, in Vedic
You know the
period.
Vedic period.
Yes, in Vedic
You know
period.
Vedic period. What the condition of the India? You know the India's Vedic civilization. You haven't read the history.
You read the question. You go
Why
in
not?
the past.
Go and read the history.
You going in the past now. You go and should. You
What
go
about the
and
situation
should-
you're talking
you
about?
go
This is
and
a modern
read-
history.
read the-
This
you
is not
go
an
and
ancient
read-
history.
You go and read what is the condition of women in the Vedic period. But in a Vedic period, what work? What work? You are disrespecting. You are not follow the rule and regulation of the debate.
Sir, why not? You are not having knowledge.
Do you know about Ramayana?
Ramayana. You know the Ramayana. You know the Mahabharata. Why are Ramayana and Mahabharata?
Sir, this is provoking.
happening?
This
Why?
is provoking. This is
Just
provoking.
you say na.
People don't
Why
have
just
proper
you say
knowledge
na.
about the history, about the modern history, about the ancient history, and shouting the Vedic period is bad. Vedic period.
You saying the
Keep
Vedic
facts in the
period.
Google.
You saying the Vedic period.
Why not? I'm
You
giving
saying the
example.
Vedic
This is a
period.
beautiful period of
They show
country.
the
This was
they
beautiful.
tell the all reality of Vedic period. Na.
Huh.
Why are you saying
Why?
this time?
Because
you go and
Vedic
read.
period is very
Ma'am,
good.
Ma'am, you
Go
go
and search
and
on internet,
read.
na.
You read. You go and read.
तू का कहब उ जन्मदिन के तोहफे के बारे में, उपहार के बारे में, तू मनाओ तो अच्छा, हम मनाई तो बकवास. Every day, like 1 lakh people celebrating birthday. And sir, Valentine Day, Hug Day, Kiss Day, Rose Day, Friendship Day. So what about those things? They all festival, they are not our festival, they are Western festival. And sir, my point, many foreigners come to India. Why? Because of they celebrate our festival, they accept our culture. Also, not we can see this her photo. They always say, I love India. I want to live in India because I love India, and also their festival is very good. That's why I love India.
What about those people, they don't have money? Why this sad?
But rich people distribute. And also Allah said कि you divide a 3 part, and 1 part you eat, 2 part you distribute. They don't have money, they don't afford to.
Only on Bakrid. What about other days? What about other days? What about other days? You not distribute mutton?
Simply, they don't eat every day. At least they eat 1 day.
Why 1 day?
They are happy.
Why they eat 1 day?
No.
Why they eat 1 day?
You should distribute every day.
Yes.
Sir, I have a capability to distribute every day. I have a capability to distribute every day. I'm not a rich person, but I have a 5 rupees capacity of distribute. So I can do. Why I cannot do?
How you can do? How she can do? I will do.
Please come back. Very nice.
Good morning, all of you. Thank you, sir. All of you. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful chance to having me here in this panel. I am so delighted to have words with you all panelists. Festival is very important. Festival is very important. Without festival, we are nothing. Think about that. When we were in child, and we were made a small. We made a small home. Why? Because one day when we become something, then I will bring this type of home. That is festival. That is the connection of festival. That is the hope you generate in your inner mind. And when the Dasahara is coming, then when I will kill Ravan, then we kill inner Ravan. Think about the mother. Now our mother is making gojia. When we go there, when we eat, then we forget our stress, our anxiety, our everything. We we feel relaxed.
Because of Gucci.
Because of Gojia, because of the festival. Think about that. Every person coming in this time. Why? Because our festival is coming soon. Think about the Bihari people. They are celebrating Chhat Puja.
Of course.
And think about our sister. When we take a swear to save his life, protect life on the vacation of Raksha Bandhan.
And you are saying that, oh, mine is.
Can I speak?
Yes,
Yes, you can speak.
You think only rich person. You think about poor person.
You have only single point.
Sir, when you went your
No,
home, then you explore your world. What's going on in your life?
Company, they not permission.
What
go
is your
to home.
problem?
They not go to home. You feel this person loneliness.
Who feel loneliness?
Good morning, everyone. I would tell you. I want to tell you that I have a point. I have one point that when a Raksha Bandhan is come, and when my sister tie Rakhi on my hand, and I accept my sister as a sister, but when I look any girl, they are not feel like my sister, and this problem with all of you, na? No, not exactly, na. Why this type of a mentality with in a society that my sister is my sister and other sister is like girl?
Now we are living in AI generation. You know that. We are living, my sister is living in Bangalore and I am also living in Lucknow. That time.
That when a Makar Sankranti is come and the many children are fly their kites in between the roads. And this was very injurious to people, and they cut their many. So what is the thing?
And what about the accident?
What type of accident?
1 lakh people daily kill in the road. Because of traffic, because of many kinds of problem. You are only focused kite.
When I driving I seen na.
Think about that situation, na. That. Why, sir?
When I
it is the second part.
When I drive a bike, they are just the wire is come. How I can see?
It is our government fault. I want to say that.
I am telling. Wait a second, sir. I am telling by the festival. The accident by the festival. I am telling, not casual when the accident is happened. I am telling when the accident is having during the Makar Sankranti. Why is when I driving a bike, there suddenly a wire is come in my eyes, and when an accident is happened. So this is a problem with the festival, na?
Now only few people are loving kite and I want to say that if you want to flying kite, go in field area and it is our government fault.
Sir, park is not available in near where us, na? There are very far.
So you have to follow some precaution.
Yes, sir.
Precautions are there, right?
Precautions are there.
Precautions, sir. We are going the roof.
Good morning to all dear student, and today I'm gonna talk about that the festival is good. Why? Because in my religion, Muslim religion, the Eid is a most and the very beautiful festival. Right. On this festival, we hug each other. Yes, sir. On this festival, we also. Girls and boys. And no, sir. On this festival, we hug each other, and that festival we remove our angriness. So, and according to my religion, if you are angry more than 3 days, you will start. God will start your right sins. It is right. So it is a good na ki when festival will become, we are remove we are unite each other, we are remove our angriness, so it is good.
Yes.
he is talking about the Eid.
Excuse me.
She is talking about Eid. Sir, he is studying here. She is studying here, and her father is waiting your success. Her father he wants to see your success, and he is celebrating. She is celebrating Eid. You celebrate the Eid. You will celebrate the Bakrid. Your father wants to see your success.
And you are celebrating it?
You are celebrating
Why
Eid.
not?
And you are applying Mehdi?
You are applying Mehndi.
Diwali is
What is
coming
that?
soon. Diwali is coming soon. I am in Lucknow and my father is out of country and my brother is also out of city. And it is good now. I will go at my home and we are all family will be together at home. It is good now.
Shame on you.
Say, give me answer. What is give?
Give answer.
Sir, I am asking. The people is admitted in a hospital.
Huh.
What about that? He is
What?
not. Sir, the people is.
This is not point actually.
Sir, why is not point? Sir, the people is admitted in the hospital, and richest people is celebrating Eid, Diwali, Holi, and the poor people he is in need of money, and he is not help. He cannot help, sir. That people.
Why not?
And-
I am a rich. I can celebrate the festival and as well as I can help that the poor person. What is the problem? What is the problem of the celebrating?
Before announcing the result, I want girls to, girls should shake hand with girls and boys should shake hand with boys, please. Girls, please, go ahead. Arey, hello! No hugging, just shaking hand. Alright, everybody, now it's time for me to announce the result. Which batch will be winner? So what is your expectation, guys? What do you think? One, you have to tell one. You have to tell once. 1, 2, 3. Now let me count. So first, I'm going to count the numbers of batch B, okay? Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 10 plus you have gotten just because of speaking well, and 5 or 6 points you have gotten just because of their misbehavior and because of their not following discipline, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15, guys. Now let me count here, guys. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The winner is Balde! Clap, guys! How happy they are. I told misbehavior, guys. No, it was not misbehavior because it was told you have to be angry, you have to be offensive, you have to be aggressive, and you have to show your reaction. So Garima was showing the reaction. It was not good, but in disclaimer, I told that you have to be aggressive. So C became, so -5, it became 10, not 12. This team has won. Thank you so much. So, batch A, I really appreciate you. You did a well job, guys. You did a fantastic. No doubt they spoke, but you guys are beginners, right? I think 1 or 2 people were seniors. Otherwise, everybody was beginner. The way Hamza was speaking, my God. The way Ankit was speaking, every point, it was really marvelous. I really appreciate you, right? And please forgive me if I made any mistake, and forgive people if you made any mistake, right? Because forgiving nature is the best personality. So thank you. All right. So.